seen how easy it is to set a scene up, so we're now going to see what this looks like after the scenes have been saved. So for your walk-in, you can see we've switched to our red and blue colour scheme along with our house lights on. When we're ready to start our conference, we move to lectern presentation, which brings the lights up on the lectern, and also the screen will switch on. As we then move through, you may have a presenter that wishes to walk around the stage, and we can switch to a stage wash function to give more light onto the main stage. If we're running video, we can switch to the video mode, which brings maximum clarity to the screen. And we're not limited to these colours. At any point we can change, so we want it to go completely red, for instance, or as we're at Millbrook, if we wanted our Millbrook colour scheme, we can go to a Millbrook scheme.